Aris, 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 September 22 to 30. Knock, 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 Aris. So, welcome po sa Scorps Work Tarot. Another weekend na naman po. Another weekend. So, shout out po ako sa mga OFW. So, going to new direction. The Young Emperor. Meron na naman siyang plano. Yeah, looking to that horizon. Parang sinasabi, okay, ready na tayo. Ipapadevelop na natin yung kalsada para di tayo mabaha. Okay, offer, meron kang ayaw pansinin o ayaw mong hindi mo ina-appreciate. Hindi mo na-appreciate yung something na barya na pagdating sa emotion. Gusto mo full experience ng happiness, Aries. Yeah. Ayaw mo noong ginawa ng substandard ng flood control. Yung mga ganun tipo yan. Yan ang energy. Tingnan natin September 22 to 30. Yeah. So, check po natin kung mag-resonate. Kung hindi po, wag pong pilitin. Wag po natin pilitin. Let's take it lightly. Merong nag-comment sa amin ganun, puro negative yung binabasa mo. Yeah, okay. So, magbasa po kayo ng balita para makita nyo kung positive yung matagal na tayong niloloko. Yeah, is that something na positive? Walang positive sa It's not all about wish fulfillment. Pero si Aries, wish fulfillment. Ito yung emotional happiness. Okay? Hindi nangangahulugang madaming pera. Hindi nangangahulugang healthy. Well, healthy in a sense na walang may sakit. Okay? So, those simple resources at yung simpleng pamumuhay, it can have you that wish fulfillment. Masaya ka na sa in-order mong halo-halo. Yes? Yan ang Nine of Cups. Hindi nangangahulugang super dami yung pera mo at savings, masaya ka. Pero, relative po yan sa ating what defines kung ano yung happiness natin. So, wish fulfillment. So, si Aries nasa kasi merong dreadful. Okay? I don't want to say na dreadful. Something's about to change or yun nangyari and okay. DPWH, okay? Negative. Yes, dahil niloloko tayo. Pero nandun pa rin yung faith natin. Yung paniniwala natin na after this traumatic experience natin sa buhay, na we believe na babangon at babangon tayo. That's the death card. Masakit. Hindi madali ito, Aries. Yeah, to go through that stage of completion. It's a completion kasi magre-resurrect ka dami mong babaguhin. Yan ang gaganagawa ng gobyerno ngayon. Kung nagbabasa tayo iba kayo ng balita, yun nangyayari sa Indonesia, sa Nepal. Ganon din ang nangyayari sa Pilipinas, di ba? Nadala na yung tao and that's considered as a death card. It's a transformation. So, it can be very, very transformative na masakit. At darating na ro yun, sabi Aries, mabilis. Yeah? Inaabangan mo ba yan? So, ano situation mo? So, sa family relation dynamics o sa trabaho, ito yung kailangan sabi ng amo magkakaroon tayo ng reorganization o sabi ng boss mo kailangan magtipid tayo dahil mahal yung gasolina. Those are painful. Yes? Anything that is you get out of your comfort zone. Kung hindi ka alis doon sa comfort zone na yun, hindi mo makikita yung lahat tayo takot dyan. to move to another direction. Sa totoo lang. Yes? Meron ba ganyan, Aries? Not everybody is ready dyan. Not everybody is ready dyan. Okay? Madaling sabihin. Madaling sabihin na, okay, bumabaha, benta natin yung bahay, na matagal na kayo nakatira doon for 20 years, 10 years, okay? 30 years. Doon na lumaki yung mga anak ninyo. Nakapag-asawa na and everything. Lahat ng experience ng life na ano nyo na doon, pinagdaanan nyo. And all of a sudden, lilipat ka sa ibang lugar, which is the death card that you have to go through. Kasi it will be a totally different, ano na naman to panimula. Yeah. How soon ka ganun ka-ready? Naiwanan mo yung 30 years friendship mo doon sa community. That's the death card. And it's coming fast. Okay? Aris, meron mo ganyan. So, sa negosyo, walang hindi, pag ayaw mo nang ayaw mo nang magtrabaho, ibinenta mo na. Ibinenta mo na kasi gusto mo nang mag-retire Agree? Yeah. That's a transformation. Anong gagawin mo ngayon? That's because that defines your true self and your value. Kasi nga, nararamdaman mo na parang chinachani-chani ka. Okay? So, you have to make a decision. You have to make a decision. Okay? Hindi ka darating sa opportunity kung hindi mo na-experience yung pain. Okay? So, nagkaroon ka ng idea how to go around it. Meron kang idea. So, sa financial, meron kang nakitang oportunidad. Okay? Sa palagay mo, makakabigay pa ng bagong panimula. So, anong trabaho ito? Okay. So, Aris, anong trabaho mo? Okay? Meron sa iyong ulit nag-o-offer ng panibagong pagmamahal. Okay? Pagmamahal. Nagkaka-interest. Okay? Interest na dahil sa, may kakayahan si Aris. Okay? I-offer natin sa simulang kwentuhan and then it turned out to be something. It's a small discussion only. Meron tayong pagkakitaan. Maring Aris, paring Aris. Okay? And then, that partnership can develop into something big. Yung idea mo. Yes. Kung sa relationship yan, meron kayong plano ni partner mo. And sabi nyo, let's move forward. Kasi hindi na, palagi na lang tayong sumasakit ang ulo Yeah? Okay? Kasi ito naman yung talagang pangarap natin. Ito na yung pangarap mo, Aris. Ito naman yung pangarap natin. Kung this is a combination of a relationship, umalis na tayo dahil bumabaha na. Yeah? Nakita ko yung tubig na naman dito. Yeah? Yan yung guardian angel mo, nagsasabi. So, kung meron kang dealing with a Scorpio, Aries, or you're dealing with a Cancer, yes, so yun ang pinag-uusapan nyo lately. And excited ka dun sa venture nyo na pupuntahan. Kung hindi mo pa nararating yun, pa lang, maski nasa imagination mo pa, you know na, ito na talaga yung yung katapusan ng baha. Yeah, yun yun. Kasi yun ang wish, ninyo Yun ang matagal yun ang pinaplano. It's time for you na, ikaw naman, o kami naman. That's the energy you're showing here. I'm not gonna dwell Hindi ko na iindain pa yung ano na yan, mga nightmare na yan kasi wala ako magagawa. I think you surrender. Sinurrender mo yung ano mo dito, sarili mo. Pinaghandaan mo ito. Ready ka na pero pumupusyaw-pusyaw yung idea na yun. Kumbaga sana ibebenta mo yung bahay mo, okay? Pero nanghihinayang ka dahil sa maraming ano, hindi ganun kadali yun, di ba? Pero yung inisip mo dito, yun ang makapagpapasaya sa'yo kasi naayaw mo na yung ganun ka nightmare na palagi ka nalang binabaha. Yeah? Kung sa relationship, binabaha. Kung sa partnership, binabaha. Okay? That's the same meaning. Okay? So, ano ba yung definition pag sinabi mong binabaha? Knock, 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 Aries. Tignan natin. So, gusto mo nang maramdaman yung ito yung tipong pinaghirapan mo eh. Ito yung tipong pinaghirapan mo. Okay? Cancer. Scorpio. Okay, Aries. Ano yung anong dahilan kung bakit natanggap mo na wala kang choice kundi to move on to that going to that direction, movement. Okay? Magpapakasal ka, kasama na rin 'yan. It's a movement. You undergo transformation, okay? Galing ah. Ikaw ito, Aries ah. You're the emperor. Okay, decision maker, somebody na nasa authority. Ito yung mga CEO ng kumpanya. Sa pamilya, ikaw si nanay at tatay na nagdedesisyon. Handa na tayo. Ready na tayo. You are leading this. You are leading this, Aries. Okay? Oops. Okay. Lumitaw siya. Kunin ko siya. Okay. Ito nga, nagdadalawang isip ka muna sa simula eh. Ang dami mong obligasyon. Madami kang obligasyon, Aries. Okay, ayan ka oh. Na-realize, nakita mo yung you're standing on your yung energy mo, yung power mo. Okay, lahat tayo meron diyan. Okay? The only difference is, hindi natin alam kung paano gamitin yun. Okay? Si Aries, paano diyan? Alam niya yan. Ay, nagkaroon ako ng amo. Di ba nakwento ko na, sabi ko sa'yo, nagkaroon ako ng amo na Aries. Alam ko yung na yan. Yung consider ko na emperor yun. Walang makakabali sa aking desisyon. Ang dami mong responsibilidad, alam mo, kasi ina-acknowledge mo naman eh. Hindi ka nagre-reklamo. Okay, Aries? Alam mo yung responsibilidad mo rito. Okay? Hindi ka na magtupapatumpik-tumpik pa. Okay? Nagkaroon ka ng merong it's a long process na gusto mo i-connect yung puso mo na you're making the right decision. Kasi meron ditong, I do not know kung ikaw ito o nararamdaman mo ito. Okay? You see this, parang nagsimula siya sa isang maliit na, okay. Ito, example ko na lang, okay? Yung bahay na lilipatan mo dahil sa bumabaha. Okay? Una, hindi ganun kadali on to rise above dun sa yung connection mo. Kung ano man yung connection na iiwanan mo. Yes? Ngayon, it took you a while, okay? Bago ka nag-progress na, yung bahay located sa 3 hours para dun sa something close. Saan ba? Eskwelahan ng anak mo. You know? Kasi you created a community. Okay? Malayo na doon sa what is familiar to you. Yeah? Iiwanan mo yung what is familiar to you. Ngayon, it took you a while para masabi mo na yung decision mo tama at the emotional level. Yeah? Okay. I know people na after nung lumipat, parang nahirapan sila. Okay? Na lumipat ng bahay, yun na lang yung sasabihin kong example. Kasi, malalim yung emotional attachment nila dun sa dati nilang palaging lang, iyak ng iyak. Yeah? Yun ang hinanap mo, Aris eh. Ngayon, wala nang time para sa ganoon. Nag-mature yung level of connection na hindi, lilipat na tayo. Or kung decision na something big, yun, gagawin mo na, itutuloy ko na yung negosyo kasi mahina na itong isa, o isasara ko na. Yeah? Ganun yun. Ganun yung desisyon na ito. Okay? At pinaghandaan mo siya. Hindi, kumbaga sa lilipat ako ng bahay, pero ang budget ko is X number, ilang milyon lang halimbawa. Yung gusto mong bahay, 10 milyon pala. You know, kung gaano ang ginawa mo dito para ma-achieve mo yun, kailangan ko mag-migrate. Hindi ganun kadali yun. Yes? Hindi ganun kadali yun. Kasi nga, ang nakaano sa iyo, yung pangarap mo. Okay? Yung pangarap ninyo. Ang dami mong pinagdaanan dito, Aris. Okay? And then there's your completion, the world card, in full circle. Yeah? Itong istorya ng somebody na magmamigrate. Or, kung sa opportunity I don't see, merong relationship dynamic pero hindi yun ang dito, ang tema nito eh. Okay? Yung relationship dynamics ng naka-apekto sa iyo, nakaka-surround sa energy mo is secondary dun sa plano mo to do something, big. Nag-ano ka na dito eh. You rise up sa may power mo eh. Okay? Kapag tayong mga just give my example, mga nanonood, kapatid na OFW. So kapag tayo nagdesisyon, itong si Aris na ito is something huge na pack up and go type of thing. Yes. Inikot niya yung mundo. Ayan, si Aris minamani yung daigdig eh. Lumitaw pa yung temperance. Kasi it requires a lot of patience. Yun ang pinaglabanan mo dito. Yun ang mahirap paglabanan eh. Once na maging attached ka on a emotional level, hindi ganun kadali. That's what your 8 of Swords is here. Okay? And hindi inagahan mo yung possible, yung challenges dito. Yung Sphinx na yan, moving left to the right eh. Okay? To chartered, yung direction na gusto mo is not something. Kumbaga sa negosyo, ilang libong empleyado mo na paiba-iba yung sayaw nila. Pero kailangan nyong dumiretso. Okay? Sa relasyon, ang dami nyong sayaw-sayaw. Kanan, kaliwa, anong pupuntahan natin, anong plano mo sa buhay. Pero walang gustong magdesisyon. Pero this Aries na I can see here is, you rise up above sa power mo. Hinawakan mo siya sa leeg. Ito, Aries? Yeah. It's a movement. It is a movement. So, it's like what I said, it's a typical, this is I know people na also close to me yung nag-move out, nag-migrate noong Yes. Wala na silang inilingon. Wala na silang kalingon-lingon pa. Iniwanan nila yung yung Pilipinas na mahal. Yeah, ba nandun pa naman yun. I'm not saying that hindi mo babalikan, pero you are ready to move and start a new life. That's your death card. Okay? That's your death card. And yun ang wish fulfillment mo na matagal mo lang inaabangan. And now you finally have it in your hands. Ayan, in your hands. And nagpakatatag ka rito. You have nilaro mo yung buwan at ang yung araw. Yeah. The moon and the sun. Yeah. Meron ba ganyan, Aries? September 22 to 30. So, ayan, no? Inano mo, hindi ka natakot dito. Okay? I admire this, this, whoever it is, Aries. This is not something easy. This is not something easy. Walang madali. Walang, but admire this, okay? Kung naka-resonate, I admire you. Sino ba ito? Sino ba itong Aries na ito? Okay, so it's the world card. You have the death card here. It's a transformation. It's moving fast. Okay? Ayaw mo na nung nightmare, sakit ng ulo. You are ready for that. Yeah. You have the 8 and 9 of sword here. Yeah. Ayun, parang minumumog mo yung mga nightmare na panaginip na kasi it's a new environment okay? Sige nga, mag-migrate kayo, pumunta kayo sa Amerika, sa Australia, sa Canada, o sa Europe. Yeah? Okay? So, okay, kuha ko ng ng moon card. Okay, Aries. September 22 to 30. Ano pa yung sinabi ng moon? Okay. Mabilis. Tingnan natin yung kaibigan ni Aries na merong sa kanyang comment. Okay. Yung owl. Okay. This is the first time na nakuha ko itong owl. A crisis will allow you to look into yourself and make an important revelation. Alam mo yung revelation na yan? Na na-realize mo na you are stronger than who you thought you are, Aries here. Okay? Checkmate. Yeah. You are stronger. You are stronger because ayan ka, you transform yourself not to become that smart, a lot of wisdom, and courageous. The emperor, that's the ultimate highest role ng higher than the king. That's the emperor. Okay? So yan ang sabi ng isang kaibigan mong owl. Yeah? Okay. Tignan natin pa yung sabi. Okay, the moon. Okay? Sabi dito ng the moon. The time is ripe for seeking new opportunities. Ano yung sasabihin ko? Ayan. To seek new opportunities. You are going to the new opportunities. In fact, ayan iikutin mo yung the world. It's a completion of cycle. You have the moon here and you have the world here. So what can be more best explanation? Yeah? Okay. Emperor, you own pag-aari mo kung ano yung ginusto mo. Kasi yun ang direksyon na patutunguhan mo. So you own that. Okay? So, opportunities daw. Alam mo na yan Okay. Number 3, sabi nung frog, the path has been cleared for you to make a change that previously seemed unachievable. Okay? Sinabi na rito na malinis na yung kalsada. Maski na maski na substandard yan ng DPWH o ano pa yan, daraan ka doon. Okay? Why? Okay. Ito yung nag-clear sa iyo Okay? Ito yung nag-clear sa iyo. After you transform yourself into this, okay? Yung grabe yung belief mo rito, yung pananampalataya mo. This is not only pananampalataya sa religion, pananampalataya to yourself. I think that's even more powerful. You can magdasal ka na ng magdasal pero kung wala ka namang ginagawa, hindi. You transform yourself. Okay? Yung yung chariot. Chariot is a warrior. Okay? Ikaw yung nakasakay diyan, no? Ikaw yung nagtuturo kung kumanan ka o kumaliwa ka. Yeah? Yes? Yeah? So, you cleared now has been cleared na daw yung kalsada mo. Ayan, no? That's the chariot. And where else do you want to go? To navigate the world is your oyster. Yeah? Okay. And it's moving fast. This is your 8 of 1. It's moving fast. Okay? It's moving fast, so you can have your victory. Ano pa yung gusto mo, Aris? Sandali. Hindi kay Aris ba ito? Para sa akin tong reading na ito. Yeah. So, Aris, September 22 to 30. So, nakalimutan kong sabihin magkape-kape tayo while reading this. So, enjoy. See you again and have a good weekend. Thank you.